I lost a bet, so now I have to cosplay multiple characters in one night. To make things easier on myself, I want to create a basic look so I don't have to take makeup on and off all night. Make sure to stay until the end of the video to see both cosplays. Step 1 would be put colored contacts on, but step 1 tonight is foundation first, and I think I put a little too much on my hand, but it's okay. Nobody ever actually taught me how to do makeup. I watch YouTube tutorial videos and stuff. I think so many YouTube tutorial videos are like, not dedicated, but they're like intended for AFAB faces, and just to be quite honest, AMAB faces have like a different facial structure, so a lot of the tips, especially when it comes to like cheek contouring and stuff, it's just not like, it's not the same. And then when I look up AMAB body makeup tutorials, they're meant for my face, but they're not meant to feminize. It's just makeup, you know? It's like, it's different. And then also, if I look up certain feminizing makeup tutorials, it's like, it's just intended for drag, and drag isn't really the look I'm going for either. So it's like, it's so frustrating. I don't need to worry too much about my chin right now, because since I'm doing Mitsuri, I'm gonna put on like a breastplate, so I'm not really worried about like blending in my neck and stuff, because the neck on the breastplate goes like all the way up. I actually did a breastplate specific tutorial. If you do want to see that, if this becomes a YouTube video, that'll be up here, I think, or up here, one of the two. After that, let's go ahead and move on to contouring and highlighting. Got my good old contour stick here. Ignore my mouth moving. I've sped up these clips for your convenience. What I'm doing here is applying contour to specifically the corner of my jaw down to the chin to soften my masculine jawline a bit. So the first cosplay we're gonna get into is Mitsuri from Demon Slayer, and then after that, it'll be Harley Quinn. You know Harley Quinn. Once again, I'm applying contour in 2 straight lines down my nose to make it appear smaller, and up by my temples to round out my face shape a bit more. After I blend it in, I apply highlighter down the bridge of my nose, like so. Since I'm getting into multiple cosplays tonight, I do not want to do crazy eyeshadow. I just want to do, I think I could do like a light pink. I really need a mirror. Yeah, I just did this using the mirrored screen on my PC. Anyways, I'm applying a light pink makeup around my eyes in a less dramatic way so I can fit multiple cosplays. Nothing too crazy. Let me like do a little bit of blush next, I think, guys. I just use a darker shade of pink for my eyeshadow palette for my blush because it gives me a real anime-esque blush look. After this, I'm going to apply my green contacts finally. Ooh, it burns a little bit. Don't cry, don't cry. Oh, that one went in so much easier than the last one. It still burns a little bit though, damn it. I spoke too soon. I'm just lightly filling in my eyebrows with an eyebrow pencil here. And now, I just want to apply concealer to the edge of my eyebrows. How do I look at my profile picture? Honestly, I can't see it. I have contacts in and my phone is like all the way up there. I'm sure you look great, but I am kind of lazy, so I don't really want to like get up and like, you know. Reminder that if you break 1K subs on YouTube by June 1st, I have to get a Mitsuri cosplay. If you're watching this on YouTube right now, subscribe right now. That'll be amazing. After that shameless self-promotion, it's time for the worst part of doing makeup, the eyeliner. Since this is a basic look, though, I was able to get away with just doing a simple wing and small line at the bottom corner of my eyes. I think I'm finally done-ish enough with my eyeliner. I'll go over it again. It's not perfectly even, but I did the best I could given that I'm like on a mirrored screen right now. Next is time for the mascara, and then the infamous breastplate. Ta-da! I did it, photos. Okay, look at this. The reason I needed to put on my breastplate before the false lashes is because sometimes while putting it on, the breastplate can rip off the false lashes. Let's go. Okay, let me go get my wig. Ta-da, I guess. That was the first cosplay. Now, before I show you the second cosplay with the exact same makeup look, I need your help with something. Comment below which cosplay you think looks better after finishing this video so that I know which character I look better as. Thanks! Let's go! So yeah, second cosplay. How do you do the what? My eyes are up here. Oh, the breastplate. It's a breastplate. It's silicone.